What's up, my loves? As promised, today I'm going to show you my bedroom makeover. If you take a look, you can see that this room is clutter city. Don't even consider it a bedroom at this point. It's just clutter. But nevertheless, be sure to stick around because this bedroom makeover, once I'm done, it's going to be epic. Of course, there's a lot of clutter because I'm really busy. So of course, we don't really put things back as we should on time. We kind of put it back, but not in its rightful place. But nevertheless, for this bedroom makeover, I'm going to, of course, narrate just a little bit. And we're also going to do a little montage here and there. We're also going to play some music to sort of get that chill vibe and just be able to sit back and relax. We're going to treat this video like somewhat of a Sunday reset. As you can see, I am like literally removing everything from my dresser. It's because this dresser is made up of wood, glass, and marble. It cost a pretty penny, but at some point I think I am going to get rid of it for more of a contemporary look and feel. So I'm going to have to use 3 different things to clean one dresser. So the first thing, as you can see, I'm going to use my duster. And this is like a microfiber duster where all of the dust just sticks to the fibers. Once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my Windex and clean the mirror down really good. I'm trying to get rid of all of the streaks. Don't you just hate like when you're cleaning your mirror and you end up with streaks and you're like, no, and you spray it again just to remove the streaks? Well, that's me at this point. So far, the mirror is looking really good. I'm going to go in with my Guard. This is a holistic product that I got from this company called Melaleuca. I'm going to take a regular paper towel and clean the marble. And the good thing about it is, as you can see, it's definitely shining the marble. One thing I like about this product, not only is it environmentally safe, but it's also a multi-purpose spray, which is perfect. I'm also going to use my wood cleaner that I got from Target, and I'm going to try to shine this wood on up. It's starting to look really good already. And by the way, I got this wood cleaner from Target. It works good, but it's not the best. But nevertheless, it is getting the job done. At this point in time, hubby's like, you know something, girl, you are short. So I'm going to step on in and give you a helping hand and clean the top of the dresser. Yeah, guys, I couldn't reach the top of the dresser. Now that everything is shined, polished, and cleaned, it's looking really good. I got to be honest, it's going to hurt my heart to get rid of this set. Like I said, simply because it's in great condition. Not to mention, I did get it from Raymour and Flanigan, and as most of us know, Raymour and Flanigan furniture is not cheap. But sometimes it's just time to switch things on up just a bit. I'm going to start by grabbing all of my stuff and placing it back onto the dresser. going to move on to cleaning my end tables. This end table does have marble and wood as well, so I'm just going to go in with my microfiber. I'm going to clean it on down. This nightstand is not going to stay this way. I ordered some stuff from Amazon. At this point, I'm just waiting for them to come. They should literally be here by tomorrow. So, of course, I'm just doing this now for the video, but I am going to change up this end table and replace it with the stuff that I bought from Amazon.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yarn. Yeah, my mind is a warning.
For the final touches, I'm going to place my flower arrangement. For those of you who don't know, I am launching my own candle line, and trust me, it is going to be everything. It's going to be really, really good. This scent right here is strawberry chantilly. When I tell you, all you need is one candle, and it's going to have your entire house smelling so nice. I'm going to make my way across the room to clean up these shelves. These shelves were purchased from IKEA. I bought them back in, let's see, around November, Thanksgiving time of 2021. And of course, they're IKEA shelves, so you know they're going to hold up really, really good.
I've been wondering all day, try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I mean, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side, and it's time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need I need to free my mind now. I really need I really need a different mind now. I really need mind now. Oh yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Tell me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Mind with this system you cannot break. I need to find relief. But behind my mind it runs. All these thoughts have trouble me. I need to give up my pain. I need to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. I need time to leave my life. And it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. I really need.
Cohesive folding means everything, especially if you want to give the impression that, you know, it's a store shelf. Gotta fold them correctly. All right, this part right here is hubby's corner, so I'm just gonna let him do his thing.
I just fade away.
When I started initially recording this video, it was about 11 p.m. And after putting in about, let's say, 3 to 4 hours, it was time to go to bed. So this is the next day. I'm just removing the tags off of the pillows. It's the reason why I'm messing around with these pillows. Yes, it looks nice, but in my head, I'm like, I know it could look better. I ended up going to Home Goods like the next day. And when I tell you, I found the perfect pillows to complement this set. I really like this comforter set. It's so soft and plush, and it's really good quality. We went ahead and mopped the floors off camera. So not only does this room look like luxury, but it smells luxurious as well. To take it over the top even a little bit more, I'm going to add some rose petals to give that nice element and feel. We're just going to montage this part on out. Thank you so much, of course, for taking the time out to watch this video. Shaku shaku.